Everyone off! Everyone off! Yes. Get off!
GG's guys. What happened? I don't know.
Fucking give that up!
Hell no. Alright.
Exactly. I was outside the spawn trying to get out. And he comes running in behind the spawn wall. After we get each other, I'm outside the spawn. He shoots me. I think we get each other. Then he continues behind the spawn wall where we got everyone back behind there. You can't go behind the spawn wall.
Yeah, I mean, he's not supposed
Everyone
to do that.
saw that, right?
Yeah. Hey! How are you doing? No! You are a player. And you are a player.
If you are a player, get off the field.
Get away. Get off the field if you are a player.
Go.
If I'm a player? Well, damn, there goes our last game.
Everyone up. Everyone up. Everyone up.
What? Well, there goes our last game. No, not go! What the fuck? I don't know. I wasn't doing for it. I don't know, I just got... Going. Cohen, what the fuck was that, Cohen? Let's go! What the fuck? I don't know. I wasn't doing for it. I don't know, I just say... Alright, sorry, I didn't feel it, bro. Yeah. I hit you, bro. I hit you. Come on, man. That's what he said. Hey, dude, it's just Airsoft. Chill out. Same guy keeps bitching at me every time I see him. You're playing too competitive. I'm like, bro, it's just Airsoft. Go, go, go. You're not gonna call that? God damn, bro. No, I'm running back up on him. Really? Really?
I got shot in my shoulder.
Yeah, good boy. Go back to spawn.
The milk fags are eating MREs.
The Milsom kids are eating MREs.
What are you talking about?
You know,
They're
like
like
the
food
military food.
They're eating MREs.
You motherfucker!
Pussy, pussy.
You motherfucker! You ran into spawn. You piece of shit. Go. Keep going. My boy. Oh,